dia a tothom. Bueno, ja estem aquí una setmana més. Aquesta setmana hem treballat el musical de Cats, vale? I ha sigut molt guai. M'ha après la història, perquè com tothom sap, la història de Cats és molt difícil d'entendre-la. És un musical que no té text, només té música, i clar, és complicat, així que nosaltres ens hem inventat un text per explicar tota la història, i hem adaptat molt el musical a les edats que tenim nenes molt petites i nens molt grans, i ho hem adaptat perquè tothom estigui còmode, pugui fer moltes coses, i res, us deixo amb els gatets del carrer. Que disfruteu!
¿Para el ritual?
¿Qué ritual?
El ritual de los gatos yélicos.
¿Yeli qué? Una vez al año todos los que estamos aquí tenemos una oportunidad. ¿Para qué?
Para empezar una nueva vida. En el cielo de los gatos.
Y cada uno canta una canción sobre quién es.
Antes de que amanezca ya decidiré el ganador.
Pero cuidado con Macavity. ¿Macavity?
Ese gato te hará caer en desgracia como ha hecho con Grisabela. Empecemos, colocarlo todo. Se sienta en el sofá o la escalera para tomar el sol y me encanta comer.
When the day's hustle and bustle is done, and the Gumby Cat's work is but hardly begun, and when all the family's in bed and asleep, I tuck up my skirts to the basement to creep. I am deeply concerned with the ways of the mice. Their behavior's not good, and their manners not nice. So when I have got them lined up on the matting, I teach them music, pushing and strutting.
Tilly-top, 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 wop-woo. Tilly-top, 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 wop-woo. Tilly-top, 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 wop-woo.
A-dooba-dooba-dooba-biddle-a-dee-dee-dee.
Woodly-wah, 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 wop-wop. Woodly-wah, 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 wop-wop.
A-dooba-dooba-doo.
gato curioso que quiere lo que no tiene. Si me dan un ratón, prefiero una rata. Si me dejan entrar, prefiero salir. Preparemos mi show. Empecemos con mi grandioso show.
Curious cat. If you offer me pleasure, I'd rather have grub. If you put me in a house, I would much prefer a flat. If you put me in a flat, then I'd rather have a house. Set me on a mouse, then I only want a rat. Set me on a rat, then I'd rather chase a mouse. The rum-tum tiger is a curious cat, and there isn't any cool for me to shout. For he will do as he do. And there's no doing anything about. Wow, 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 dear. No. The rum-tum tiger is a terrible bore. When you let me in, then I wanna go out. I'm always on the wrong side of every door. As soon as I get home, then I like to get about. I like to lie in the bureau drawer, but I make such a fuss if I can't get out. The rum-tum tiger is a curious cat, and there isn't any use for you to doubt. For he will do as he do. And there's no doing anything about. Yeah.
¡Wow! Ha sido fantástico. Siempre llamando la atención.
Chuchu, pasajeros del tren. ¿Tú quién eres? Soy la gatita del tren.
La gatita del tren que se mete en las vías y por eso el tren no arranca. Muy buena amiga.
Chuchu.
No, espera.
Listo. ¿Cómo?
Mira.
Skimble Shanks, the railway cat, the cat of the railway train. There's a whisper down the line at 11:39 when the night mail's ready to depart, saying, Skimble, where is Skimble? Has he gone to hunt the thimble? We must find him or the train can't start. All the guards and all the porters and the station master's daughters would be searching high and low, saying, Skimble, where is Skimble? For unless he's very nimble, then the night mail just can't go. It's 11:42 with the signal overdue, and the passengers all frantic to a man.
That's when I would appear, and I'd saunter to the rear. I'd been busy in the luggage van.
Then he gives one flash of his glass green eyes, and the signal goes all clear.
And we're off at last for the northern part of the northern hemisphere.
¡Wow! Eso sí que ha sido un buen viaje en tren. Se acerca el momento.
McCavity's a mystery cat. He's called the Hidden Paw, for he's the master criminal who can't defy the law. He's the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there. There's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakey stare. But when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there. He's a bleeding bloodshed, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a party, you may see him in the square. But when the crime's discovered, then McCavity.
Crimes discovered then.
McCavity's not there.
Hola, se han llevado a todos. ¿Qué hacemos? Traes una gatita mágica, tráelos. Que aparezcan, no lo consigo. Sí que puedes. Que aparezcan, no lo consigo. Sí que puedes. Que aparezcan.
Oh, well, I never was there ever a cat so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. And we all say, oh, well, I never was there ever a cat so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever a cat so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever a cat so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. As me. Oh, well, I never was there ever a cat so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the marvelous, magical Mr. Mistopheles!
¿Puedes bajar un por favor. Ya tengo una ganadora. ¡Bien! La gatita más triste. Grisabela, la que ha caído en las garras de Macavity. ¡Oh! Ven, querida. Canta. Canta, que te sentará muy bien.
Mary, turn your face to the moonlight. Let your memory lead you. Open up, enter in. If you find there the meaning of what happiness is, then a new life will begin. Mary, all alone in the moonlight, I can smile at the old days. I was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of a new life, and I mustn't give in. When the dawn comes, tonight will be a memory too, and a new day will begin. Touch me, it's so easy to leave me all alone with the memory of my days in the sun. If you touch me, you'll understand what happiness is. Look, a